software to migrate EML files to Gmail account? And are you searching for a trusted solution online? Corbett Software EML to Gmail Account Migrator, perfect tool to bulk migrate all EML files to Gmail account. Let's check out the main features of this tool. Bulk EML files to Gmail account migration at once. Transfer emails along with attachments and all attributes. Maintain meta properties while importing EML files to Gmail account. Advanced search option to migrate selective EML files. Let's install and run the tool. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option, Emails Data Files. Then select EML Files option. Now pick any one from Choose Folders, or choose Files as per your requirements. Select EML Files, folder, from your system. The software is analyzing files and folders from your selected EML data file. Select EML Files folder from left side menu pane for load emails. Click Emails to get message preview. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as Content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Message Header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message, such as sender recipient date, subject, and more. The Hex View lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw Message Preview for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press Enter button for search. And you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. You can search in all fields like calendar and date, range, and more. Now pick the emails field you want to search information from, such name, subject to, CC, content and more. Click here to close Advanced Search option. Select the Export option and choose Gmail option from drop-down menu. Now let's understand the advanced functions, the tool one by one. First is Create Empty Folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you disable this. The last option is Append into Default Folder. Apply these advanced options as per your requirement. Now enter your Gmail account email address and password. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of EML files migration in your Gmail account. After migration is done, click on Open Gmail option to see the output. Open your Gmail account and explore the exported folder, then select your migrated folder and explore it and click on any mail to view the message preview. Thanks for watching.